What's going on, everybody? It's Brandon with Jarhead Diagnostics. Hope you're having a wonderful day. On this video, just wanting to kind of do a little bit of discussion. For the longest time, the auto industry has had a stigma. I need to keep my secrets safe. I don't want the next technician to know how to do this job because that technician might take my job. We're all past that. We've got Google, YouTube, service info. I mean, all that's in the past. That's a long time ago. We're in an era now where we need to, as a community and as an industry, band together, network, and just become a better industry in general. Because if you go and look at any other industry, plumbers, electricians, all of it, I mean, they've got their stuff together. I mean, you know, they've all got processes on how to do it. 90% of the time, every plumber is going to do pretty much the same thing that the other plumber is going to do. It just all comes down to, I guess, like the personality of the company. But as us, as automotive industry, we really need to start stepping up the game and becoming a tight-knit group. One way I can suggest doing it, social media. Get on a lot of these Facebook groups and just start communicating. Get you a network together. So that way if you get stuck on a vehicle, it's like, hey Bob, I'm stuck on this car and I can't figure it out. Oh, hey Billy, yeah, just do this. And now you've got communication where you can get assistance. Another way, once you start kind of getting your little community or, you know, your clique together as far as networking, get together face to face and actually hang out. Take one weekend out of the month, one weekend every couple months. Have some problem vehicles at a shop. You guys designate the location and you all go there and you hang out and you kind of go over your process of, this is how I would diagnose this issue. Oh, let's go this way. So that way you can start learning how other people do it to better yourself and better the community as a whole. Because nothing sucks more than Mr. Customer dropping their car off and it's sitting at your shop for 5 months because you can't figure it out, and then at the end they've got a $5,000 bill and all you did was put an oil filter on it. You know, so let's kind of, well, if you spend $5,000 for an oil filter, side subject, but you know, if you can't get to that, so get your network together, hang out. Here in just a minute, I'm going to add some clip to this of our last meetup. We actually have a group chat on Facebook. I started it last year with one of my person in the group, John Presnell. He reached out to me. He's like, hey, let's get a click together. I was like, that's an excellent idea. So we started a group chat and slowly started adding people on. Now we've got like, I don't know, it's like 20 people. That's all within an hour to an hour and a half drive of each other. And all we do is we talk back and forth. Might send some jokes through it, but a lot of times it's, hey, I've got this issue. Has anybody seen this? And now you guys kind of have somebody to talk with. So like I said, here in just a minute, I'll show you some videos of our last meetup. And all it was just us hanging out, goofing off, messing with two vehicles. One of them was Lucas's Underwood shop. They had this vehicle there for several months trying to have an issue, and we diagnosed the issue while we were there. And everybody just kind of got together and figured it out. So that's kind of what you guys need to start doing. Get your networks going. If you're a shop owner watching this, guess what you need to do? Pick up the phone, call the shop down the road. Hey, shop down the road, how are you doing today? I'm doing pretty good, shop down the road, how are you? And start that conversation. Get going, networking. Because all this BS that goes between all the different shops, oh, you know, I can't let them know my secrets. Oh, they don't need to do this. You cannot, I'm going to stress this, cannot service every vehicle that drives down the road. Stand out in front of your shop today, tomorrow, whenever, for 30 minutes and count the car count that drives by there, and then really dig down in your heart. Can you service every single one of those vehicles? You can't. You could have, wait one. Hello? 155.
Okay.
All right, later. Employees, Jeff. But you can't. No matter what you do, you would not be able to service all those cars. So what you need to start doing is networking with the shops around you. Go out, have conversations with them. Your shop opens up at 8. You and that shop owner go at 6:30 in the morning, get breakfast, and talk. Not only will that help out with just networking and raising the industry as a whole, then you guys could say, you know what, I want to start doing a little bit more BMW. I want to start doing more Toyota. Okay, well, I'm going to buy some BMW tools. You buy some Toyota tools. Whenever I get a Toyota, I either send it to you or I borrow the Toyota tools. You need the BMW tools? Okay, I'll let you borrow my BMW tools. Network together. Raise our industry. That is the biggest issue that's kind of plaguing us right now. We're all stuck in the past. We cannot be stuck in the past anymore. So kind of just sit back and just watch us. I mean, you'll see all we did was just hung out and kind of goofed off. Got lunch. That's what you guys need to do. So give me just a minute. Let me play some of this video through and then we'll discuss it.
Probably wouldn't be a horrible idea to rescan this fucker.
Well, it won't have any movements because of, well, 21 miles an hour.
Lucas, since you always record everybody.
I know, right? Hey, gotta do what you gotta do. Right, everybody.
What I would.
I stopped it as towards near the PCM so it looks even better.
Is there anything here that we could?
Alright, so I apologize about the video. It's not the best. A little bit short. It was right after I got this camera that I've got right now, and so I was still trying to learn everything on just how to use it. But as you could see, it was just kind of a group of us getting together. You know, towards the end of this video, I got some pictures of just us hanging out. I'll add those in. My main focus on this is get together, hang out, and share war stories and just grow our industry. It's not going to start with, you know, I'm listening to whatever. No. Growing the industry starts with you. Nobody can else grow the industry but you. And that's a collective. We all have to grow it together. So it starts with you. You be the bigger man and go talk to that other technician. You be the bigger man, go talk to that other shop owner. You be the bigger man and help somebody out. Nobody's going to just kind of go and, oh, whatever, and then all of a sudden our industry is, you know, 100 times better. It starts with communication, starts with talking and networking. So that's what I challenge you is get out there and do it. Comment down below once you do it and tell me your thoughts of it. Tell me your thoughts before you go do it. Like, hey, I'm thinking I might do this with a shop. What do you think? I'll answer you. I'll talk to you. Hopefully there'll be people in the comments down below that might answer you. You know, it starts with us, and we have to go and bring our industry up here. If not, we're always going to stay down the Stone Ages and we're never going to grow. So with that being said, you know, just get out there and do it. Thanks for watching, and you guys have a good day. And always remember, did you diag today, bro?